Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're just coming across the channel for the first time, hi, my name is Choma Akujeze, and here on this channel I do basically skincare tips, product reviews and DIY. So if this is something you love or something that actually interests you, please do not click away, like and also subscribe to be part of the family. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about cleansers. We've talked about toners, we've talked about serums and even soaps, but today's video is going to be an entirely different one. We're going to be focusing on cleansers for acne prone skin. So I'm going to be comparing these two cleansers, and they are from CeraVe brand. But the first cleanser I'm going to be reviewing and recommending for you guys today is what? The CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. This is the picture of it here. And the second one is what? The CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. Both of them are cleansers. Both of them are going to do so well for your skin. But getting the result that you want to have based on your skin type, you actually need to know the particular one that is going to suit so well for your skin. So you cannot just walk into a cosmetic store and just pick up, because CeraVe is a very good brand, it's gentle, it's mild, it's this, it's that. Then you just pick it up and start using it for your face. And at the end of the day, you're not happy with the results you are getting. So that is why I'm here to actually help you to do what? To know the difference, know the similarities between the both of them, and know the one that is going to suit so well for your skin. So without further ado, let's just get straight into today's video. Okay, the first we're going to be looking at first is the word similarities. So the Cerave SA Renewing Cleanser, one thing you should know is, number one is it is non-comedogenic. So when you say something is non-comedogenic, it means that it would not clog your pores. And the same thing also applies for the CeraVe Facial Foaming Cleanser. It is also non-comedogenic, meaning that it is not going to do what? Clog your pores. Okay, they both have a lightweight gel consistency. The third one is exfoliate. The both of them will do what? Exfoliate your skin. They are both infused with what? 3 essential ceramides. And naturally our body is infused with ceramides that actually helps to retain moisture, lock up moisture. The both of them are developed by dermatologists. They are clinically tested and allergy tested. They are fragrance free. They do not have fragrance. So if you're someone that your skin is sensitive to fragrance products, then CeraVe brands or this CeraVe cleanser is going to do so well for your skin. It's going to suit so well to your skin because they are fragrance free. They will actually cleanse your skin to remove excess oil. I think that one falls too under the exfoliation. What I'm just talking about, I'm just trying to give you tell you the common similarities, so your mind is going to be made up. I hope you're getting there. I hope you're taking notes of these points I'm actually highlighting out for you. So if you want to know how to know the skin type you actually fall into, I've done a video on that here on my channel, and I would try and link it up here, or if it's not going to be up here, it's going to be in my description box. They both contain hyaluronic acid that will actually help to do what? Retain some amount of moisture to your skin. They are both infused with niacinamide. They are infused with niacinamide, that's vitamin B3, which actually helps to do what? Calm the skin. They both actually help to reduce blackheads and also help to prevent new ones from coming up to the skin. Okay, they help to target acne on the skin. So if you're having acne or you're having symptoms of acne on your skin, these two cleansers would actually help to do justice to that. But the question is, which one is more effective for my kind of acne? Which one will I use for my kind of acne? The both cleansers are very good when it comes to treating acne. They are very good when it comes to treating acne. But the question is, which one is going to be more effective for my skin type? So now that's going to be taking us to the differences between the two. The first thing to actually spot out is, now for the SA Renewing Cleanser, from the name CeraVe SA, it means this one is highly infused with what? Salicylic acid. This one is purely for acne prone skin. For if your skin is so oily, coupled with that you also have an acne prone skin, you might want to go in hand with this product, this cleanser is going to suit so well for you. It's just a must have for you. So like the first thing I tell you, this one is highly infused with salicylic acid. The second thing is it suits so well for oily to acne prone skin. And this particular one is not just for your face, you can also use it for your body, maybe your back or your chest or wherever you are having acne symptoms on your skin. Because it actually has salicylic acid tends to dry out the skin. It can be really drying, okay? So if you do not really have an oily skin or acne prone skin, or you're just having little symptoms of acne and you get this product, it might irritate you or it can make your skin too sensitive. And also, when you're also using this product to treat your acne, like you have an oily acne prone skin, it's not really advisable to use this cleanser with other active acids like benzoyl peroxide, or tretinoin or most of these acne gels. Using it on your skin, it's just going to irritate your skin. Like your skin is going to be so sensitive and you might not really like the results. This cleanser cannot really be used with other actives, because if you must use it, you want to make sure that you are using it with mild products that will not like products that are not really so harsh or are not so drying. So when using this CeraVe SA cleanser, you want to hook it up with moisturizers and hydrating products. And again, it's not something that you might want to use regularly. Like during the week, you might just use this particular SA cleanser twice in a week. I know why I'm stating on this, because I've actually had a case where you do not really have an oily skin, you just have a normal skin, but you are having some hormonal acne, maybe as a result of stress or product that you use, and the next thing that comes to your mind is, CeraVe SA cleanser, for acne, and you get it and use it for your skin. Oh my god, and you did not really go through, you didn't actually go to make your research or get more recommendations or reviews on these cleansers, and you end up getting it. Not only did you get the SA cleanser, they are now using it with very strong active product, that's strong acid. Oh my god, you are not really going to like the turnout on your skin. You end up having burning sensation or redness, or it could actually even make your acne worse. I'm not saying the CeraVe SA renewing cleanser is not good. It is very good, but when you use it the right way, when you know what products not to use it with, okay? So that is that about the CeraVe SA renewing cleanser. So now for the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser, that is the green one. This one contains mild actives. It is not infused with strong active products like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. Like it is not infused with SA, that is salicylic acid. So this one is already going to dry out your skin. If you fall under normal skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, this one is going to gently exfoliate your skin without drying your skin or making your skin so sensitive, okay? It is going to suit so well for your skin type. So if you have an oily skin, you can use this too. If you have a dry skin, a normal skin, sensitive skin, you can also use this particular one too. And it is a foaming action. It foams, it lathers so well, while also helping to do what? Gently exfoliate your skin. This particular cleanser is more hydrating, and it is so good for dry skin and sensitive skin. And this one can be used regularly. Unlike the CeraVe SA renewing cleanser, the CeraVe SA renewing cleanser cannot be used regularly because of the ingredients in it. And you can also use this CeraVe foaming cleanser, this CeraVe facial foaming cleanser with actives. Like you can use it with benzoyl peroxide, because number one is the cleanser you're using is mild, it doesn't really have any harsh active ingredients in it. So if you combine it with your acne actives or acne actives for your skin, whether gel, toner, serum, is going to suit so well for your skin. It would not irritate your skin or make your skin too sensitive, okay? The main thing is that The two of them will actually help to do what? Target acne, and would help to do what? Treat your acne. But the CeraVe SA Renewing Cleanser is for a very serious acne. Like if you really have an extremely oily skin and an acne prone skin, you might want to use the CeraVe SA Renewing Cleanser. And the good thing about this product is that they can be used together. You can actually use this one together. The only thing that you have to do is to place yourself on your routine, know when to use which one and know when to use the other one, okay? Like this CeraVe SA Renewing Cleanser, I can use it like twice in a week. While the CeraVe Facial Foaming Cleanser can be used regularly, like you can use this particular one like every other day in the week, unlike the CeraVe SA Cleanser, because the CeraVe Facial Foaming Cleanser, it's not so drying like the CeraVe SA Cleanser, okay? So the final question is, which one is best for you? That's what actually made you click to watch this video, okay? Like which particular cleanser is the best? And the answer is, it depends on you. Yeah, are you surprised? I know, right? It depends on you. I'm not going to come and start telling you CeraVe SA Cleanser or CeraVe Facial Foaming Cleanser. No. It depends on you. It depends on what you want to achieve. It depends on your skin type. That was why I actually took out my time to do what? To talk about the similarities, talk about the differences, and okay, making you know the ingredient, the active ingredients, telling you which skin type can tolerate the cleanser and which other skin type will not be able to tolerate it, like which one is going to suit so well for the both cleansers, which skin type will suit so well for the A, which one will actually suit so well for the B. It depends on what you want to achieve. If you have an acne prone skin and it's also oily, you know, okay, I want to go in for the CeraVe SA Renewing Cleanser. But if you know you have a normal dry or sensitive skin, but you're battling with whiteheads, little pimples, and acne, but you have a very dry and sensitive skin, using the SA Cleanser alone will not do justice to that. And coupled with the fact that you're not mixing it with strong active is a no. So like I said, it depends on you and the results that you are aiming to do what achieve at the end of using the products, okay? So that is going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys found this video really helpful, and if you did, please like. Do not forget to like to show your support. Also comment, let us know your thoughts, and if you've tried this product before, please come back to the comment section and share your experience with us there. So that is all about these cleansers, reviewed toners for acne and also serums, and I've also reviewed acne gels, like gels that will actually help to do what? Treat your acne. And if you've not seen that video, the link of the video is going to be down. I'm going to try my best to put it down there or up here, okay? So that is that about today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by as always. Thank you so much. God bless you. And until then, I'm going to see you guys in my next